go ahead
recycling
and make
truck.
yeah. There we go. Alright, I think we're gonna
Guys, be sure you go check out my other one. It was the garbage truck one. It's on my YouTube channel, OJ Robinson. Only on OJ Robinson. It's not on like Jeremiah Uzel. It's only on my YouTube channel, OJ Robinson. So be sure you go check that out. It's the one with my mom and my dad on it. I made it, and I actually recorded an overreach and an auto reach, and that was huge. I thought it was a New Way Sidewinder, but this is a recycle
I think we're
truck.
gonna try it. I think we can make it under. That's gonna be another tight squeeze. I don't know if we can make this. Oh no. I don't think we can. I don't think that's happening.
Here it comes, guys. There it is.
Oh gosh. Okay, let's just flip it back over. It's definitely not what's supposed to happen. Oh, there you go. Okay, perfect. We can leave this truck over here. 10 wood real life mod again. There we go. Alrighty. So now our company can start construction here. We got everything we need. Most everything. I mean, we got the bulldozer over there. We got the
That's all I wanted to show you guys today. Thanks for watching. Hope you have enough time.
This is a
Peace
dump
out.
truck of dump trucks right now.